welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you guys what's on my HUAWEI MATEPAD 8. I'm going to show you guys the apps I have there, and hopefully I hope it's able to help you guys get some of these applications in case you want to. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. It's fun here. I did something like this on my Android phone some months back, and I wanted to do this on my HUAWEI pad because I feel it's going to help someone out there. So let's do this. So this is basically what my pad looks like. This is just the case, a pouch, and this is my stylus. I used to do some of my designs and all of that stuff. So this is what my pad looks like. It's a bit it's having some prints on it, so I'm just going to show you guys what is on there. So this is what it basically looks like. This is what you see when it's opened. So I'm just going to put my password. It's going to be hidden, so I'm just going to do this, and voila, we are good to go. It's open now. So when you open my tab, this is what you get to see. This is Lightroom. You guys know what Lightroom is. I used to edit photos, so I use it to edit some of my photos and all of that good stuff. After that, I have Autodesk Sketchbook, so I'm just going to open it to show you guys what it looks like. I use this to design some of my designs. Like this is some of my designs. I use it to also handwrite some of my stuff in my videos, my YouTube videos. So this is basically what it looks like. Some of the things I use in my videos, I use Autodesk to achieve some of those things you see, some of those stuff you see there. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to exit, and then I have gallery. This is gallery. This is the browser, the email, music, and phone to make calls, and the rest of them. So this YouTube homepage now, I saved it from the browser because HUAWEI MATEPAD 8 doesn't work with Google services. So if you're going to use YouTube, you have to. I normally save mine. It's not opening because my data is not on. So I saved the browser from the YouTube, the internet. I just added it to my home screen. The same with the YouTube studios and these other rapid tags. So moving over to my folders on here, I have photography folder. This is Adobe Photoshop Fix. I use it to do some of my edits as well. This is what it looks like basically. It's just nothing much, just use it to do some of my edits. And then I have still on that same folder, I have Fonto. You guys know what Fonto is. Sorry, is actually turning the other way around. Use it to do designs and all those good stuff. And this is Imaging Edge. I also use it to collect pictures from my Sony a5100. So I use it to take pictures, and then I have airbrush for editing pictures as well. You can use it to edit pictures. I have Snapseed for editing pictures as well. You just use it to edit pictures. If you're a photographer, you know what Snapseed does for you. So I have, why is this thing not going off? So the next one I have is the camera that came with the tab, and then I have background remover. I use it to remove any background that you don't want in your pictures. Use this app to do those, to remove them. And then I have Adobe Photoshop Mix. So this is also like Adobe Photoshop Fix as well. Use it to edit pictures and every of those good stuff. So that's what this one is for. You can use this one to do some of your edits in case you don't want to work with your system. And this is Photo Grid. I use this to design most of my thumbnail. You see that uniform write-up you always see in my thumbnail comes from this particular Photo Grid. There's a particular font I like using the Photo Grid, so that's why I like to use Photo Grid. And after then you see my socials. I have my Pinterest. It's not going to, everything is just having this sign. So let me just turn on my data so you guys will get a feel of what it looks like. So this is Pinterest. So this is my board on Pinterest. This is basically what my Pinterest feed looks like. So after that, we have, this is WhatsApp business for my business, and then I have InTags. I use it to get tags for some of my Instagram posts, but not all the time. I don't use this app all the time. So I'm going to be doing a decluttering video very soon. This is Instagram. My Instagram is connected on all of my everything I use. Any mobile device I use is connected. So this is how my Instagram feed looks like. This is what it basically looks like. You guys can see Nello KK doing her thing. So this is what it looks like basically. So this is what my feed looks like. You can follow me on my Instagram at _Ogadima and also 𝑦Music for my photography account. And then I have TikTok. This TikTok, if you know, TikTok is just a place where you can catch fun. This is what my page on TikTok looks like. I'm new to TikTok, but it's funny how some of my posts get views there as well. So this is what TikTok looks like. And also I have top apps. So these top apps now is like most of the app that comes with this tab. This is the WPS for documents, and this is the HUAWEI app gallery. Use it to download apps, but you cannot get this app gallery doesn't have all the apps that Google Play Store has. So I still download some of my app elsewhere. So this is the app gallery, and then this one is the optimizer to optimize the phone. This is settings as well, and this is the cloud, HUAWEI cloud, to save things in the cloud. Apk Pure is basically where I download most of my applications. This is what it looks like. This is where I download most of my application. I just search here and boom, I download it. But one thing about this Apk Pure is, if there are some app you download and it still doesn't work on this HUAWEI MatePad 8. Why? Because some of the HUAWEI phones and HUAWEI tab doesn't support Google Play Store, so you still have to uninstall the applications. So I have quick receipts. I use it to issue receipts to some of my clients, any clients that works with us in 𝑦Music. I use it to issue receipts to them. And this is Emoji. I use it to write. To take notes in case I don't feel like writing with a book. I just need to take digital notes. And then I have productivity. So on here I have file. You guys know what file is. Basically where things is saved in the tab. And then I have tips on how to use the tab. I have theme. All this they all came with the tab. And this is kids corner. In case my boy wants to use the tab, I just put it in kids corner, this particular one here, and he gets to use it without me being scared of him going over the board. And then I have tools. So these tools now is basically what the phone came with. This is weather, calculator, recorder, clock, support. This is the SIM card app, and then radio and Pixie-set. Pixie-set is what I'm trying to use to get a photography website. I'm not done yet. So guys, the next one we have here is my Doodle app. This is ArtFlow. I use it to doodle, to make some of my doodles for my videos. It's quite complex, but if you're somebody that knows how to do doodling, to draw and do those graphic designing, you should be able to do it. So this is what ArtFlow is for. It's taking time to open, so I just doodle. If you can see me, I'm trying to doodle, so that's what I used to doodle some off. Then I can just clean it off. Okay, this is brush. I wonder why it's not coming on. So I'm just going to discard and go back. Then I have this IBIS PaintX is also like ArtFlow, using it to doodle as well. And then this ink credible is, you can use it to write too. You can use it to take digital notes, like when you're in church and you don't want to use your jotter, you can just use this to take digital notes, like so, something like this. So this is what it's for. And basically just you can equally make the what do they call, you can change the pen to something like this, and then you just flip over and still do that same stuff you did just now, something like that. You guys get the flow now. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to exit the app as well. I'm going to exit the app, and then I have 𝑚etaMoji. I've talked about 𝑚etaMoji before. And what else? This is my editor. This is Inshot. I use it to edit some of my videos. Anytime I don't feel like using my laptop, I just use my tab to do some of my video work. Same thing goes for what do they call this video editor? Same thing goes for CapCut. This is the interface. This is what it looks like. This, okay, CapCut can go this way. So this is CapCut. I use it as well to edit. Same thing with VM. But the one my go-to app for editing videos is Inshot. I love Inshot because it's quite easy. So we're going to go into the phone, the tab proper. So this is 50 nursery rhyme for my boy, my baby boy, and then I have this Zoom for also kids. All these things are kids app, Baby Panda World kids app, and then both. I use it to book rides. Use boat to book ride. If you're in Nigeria, you can use boat to book your ride. So guys, this is what it looks like. So then I have this, all this app came with the phone. I've talked about them at the screen. This is my Holy Bible. I use it to read my Bible. I don't take it to church, but I use it to read Bible. So this is what it looks like, because I take my hard copy Bible to church. And I've talked about all this app. And I have Mojo, and Mojo is for Instagram stories. You can use it to make beautiful, stunning Instagram stories. So this is what Mojo is for. And I also have, okay, this is, it's trying to load up. So this is what it looks like. This is what the Mojo app looks like. So guys, I also have this app. I don't really use this MIDI Band paint. I've not really made use of it, so I cannot really tell. I just downloaded it and I've not tried it out. This is my first time of actually trying it out. So let's see what it actually looks like. Please don't mind the sound. I'm getting a notification. So I'm just going to close and try to see if I can rate later. Okay, if I can get something done. So I'm going to change edit and then change this to, let me just make use of this paper size here. And I've not really used this particular, I just downloaded it and I've not made use of it. So let's see how it works. So it has opened up. So I'm going to check. If you're somebody that knows how to design, you should be able to know how to use, you should be able to know where your brushes are and every of those good stuff. So this is the brush, I guess. Okay, that's the color picker, and this should be the brush. It's not right. Okay, it's on white. So I'll just change it to black. Let's see. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So if you're somebody that knows how to do art, to draw, do graphic design, you should be able to know where the brush tool is. So this is what this one is. This is actually my first time of this, and it's quite easy. It's quite easy to use. So subscribe with the E. Sender, I use it to send file from my tab to my iPhone, or from my iPhone to my tab. if you're using Android, you should know what Xender does. So this is what my Xender looks like. So basically, this is what my tablet, my HUAWEI MatePad T8 looks like, and I love the tab. It's quite how do I call it? Is fast, and it does a lot of things. Just what I don't like about it is the fact that Google Play Store doesn't work on HUAWEI tab. So guys, I hope this video has helped you in one way or the other. If you'd like to download any of this app, just take note of the name, go over to your Play Store and download them. And if you want me to do a video on how I do my doodling, how I design, how I do most of the things I do with this my tab, leave it in the comment section. You can also leave any video idea you would like to see next, and sure do well to subscribe, turn on your post notification, leave this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.